The UWEI Infrared Thermal Imager is a compact and efficient tool for both professionals and enthusiasts looking to detect heat patterns and temperature anomalies with precision. Purchased from AliExpress, this handheld thermal imaging camera packs an impressive range of features into a portable and easy-to-use device. At the heart of the unit is a 1.77-inch TFT color display that gives clear, colorful readings in real time. The infrared thermal image resolution is 32 × 32 pixels, while the visible light resolution comes in at 128 by 128 pixels, giving a decent level of clarity for basic diagnostics and inspections. Whether you're checking for heat leaks, electrical faults, or insulation issues, this device delivers a helpful view of the invisible world of thermal energy. The imager supports multiple image modes, including standalone thermal imaging, visible light, and a fusion of both. This fusion mode is particularly useful for overlaying thermal data on top of real-world visuals, making it easier to pinpoint exactly where temperature variations occur. With 32 different color palettes like rainbow, iron red, white hot, and black hot, users can customize their experience based on personal preference or environmental lighting. It also boasts a wide temperature detection range from -30 degrees Celsius to +500 degrees Celsius, -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, suitable for everything from HVAC maintenance to electronics repair and automotive diagnostics. The interface displays minimum, center, and maximum temperature readings, making it easier to identify hot spots or cold zones quickly. Another standout feature is the adjustable emissivity range from 0.01 to 1.00. This allows more accurate readings across different materials, from metals to plastics, enhancing the imager's versatility. The device is powered by a built-in 1000 mAh lithium battery, which is rechargeable via USB Type-C. It also supports data transfer through the same port, ensuring that your images and readings can be stored or transferred easily. Included in the package is everything you need to get started: the imager itself, a USB charging cable, a lanyard for easy carrying, an 8 GB TF memory card for saving thermal images, a user manual, and a durable carry box that protects the device while on the move.